Tired of building Web3 infrastructure from scratch? Weary face. The decentralized internet, or Web3, promises a revolutionary future, but building decentralized applications, or dApps, is incredibly complex. You have to manage nodes, handle blockchain data, and juggle multiple SDKs, which is a massive drain on time and resources. So, how can you skip the frustrating infrastructure work and focus on what you do best, building incredible dApps? What is Coinbase Cloud? That's where Coinbase Cloud comes in. Think of it as the AWS for Web3. It's an all-in-one suite of tools and services designed to simplify and accelerate the entire Web3 development lifecycle. It lets developers access key blockchain services without the headache of running and maintaining their own decentralized infrastructure. Coinbase Cloud is built on the same enterprise-grade infrastructure that powers Coinbase itself, giving developers the reliability, security, and scale needed for production-ready applications. Essential tools for Web3 builders. Coinbase Cloud provides several core services that are game-changers for Web3 developers. Node access and APIs. First up is Node. Every dApp needs to interact with the blockchain, and Node gives you instant, reliable, and free-tier access to major blockchains like Ethereum. This is crucial for both reading data from the blockchain and writing transactions to it. Coinbase Cloud also offers advanced APIs, which abstract away much of the complexity. Instead of sending raw blockchain calls, you can use these APIs to quickly fetch filtered, aggregated data, like a user's token balances, NFT metadata, or transaction history, in a single, simple API call. This massively speeds up the development of wallets, NFT platforms, and DeFi apps. Wallet and payment SDKs. Next, it connects your dApp to the world. The Coinbase Wallet SDK makes it incredibly easy to integrate your application with Coinbase Wallet, instantly expanding your reach to millions of users. It handles the complicated parts of connecting a user's self-custody wallet, allowing them to sign transactions securely and seamlessly. For payments, the Pay SDK allows you to integrate fiat to crypto on-ramps directly into your app. This means a user can buy crypto with their credit card right inside your dApp to pay for a service or mint an NFT, drastically lowering the barrier to entry for mainstream users. Building on the Base ecosystem. Finally, as a major player in the space, Coinbase Cloud is heavily invested in the broader Web3 ecosystem. It provides comprehensive tooling and support for developers building on the Base network, a fast, low-cost Layer 2 blockchain incubated by Coinbase. This includes access to services like Base accounts, smart wallets, for enhanced user experience, and paymaster services to subsidize gas fees. Why choose Coinbase Cloud? Ultimately, Coinbase Cloud's value proposition is simple: speed and scale. By providing a reliable, fully managed infrastructure layer with powerful APIs and essential developer toolkits, it allows you to reduce complexity and cost by eliminating the need to manage your own nodes. Accelerate development with powerful, pre-built APIs and SDKs. Ensure trust and security by leveraging Coinbase's battle-tested infrastructure. In the fast-moving world of Web3, the ability to rapidly iterate and scale is everything. Coinbase Cloud gives developers that edge. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.